I'll be showing you how to install Kali Linux version 2022.3 on VMware Workstation Pro running on a Windows 11 PC. Before we start, make sure you have VMware Workstation Pro already installed, 80 GB of free disk space, CPU at least 4 core. Now the next step is for you to download Kali Linux. So for you to do that, you just need a browser. And then you go to the official Kali website by typing kali.org, and then you click on download, and then you click on virtual machine, you click on this. And then here, the next is for you to click on this link here, this download link here. So when you click on it, this will download a zip file, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So to save time, I have already downloaded it. So let's move on. So I can just pause this. So now when I go to my download folder, I have it here. So what I need to do is to extract the files. So I right click on it and I click on extract all, browse for it. And here I want it to be stored, the folder to be stored in my virtual machine, which can be found in my document directory. And then I click on select and I click on extract. So here it begins the process of extracting the files. So now the next thing that you need to do is to open your Virtual Machine Pro. So I open my virtual machine, I launch it. And then I click on open a virtual machine. And then I browse for where I can locate the extracted folder. So here it is, Kali. And then I try to locate the .vms file, which is this. And then I power this machine on. And I click on OK. And then I press enter. For it to start setting up Kali machine. So Kali will now boot up. So this will take some few minutes. So here, the default username is Kali. And then the password here is Kali. So right. So it is ready. So I have access to my terminal. Right. So I can also close the terminal and also click on the application menu. Right. So you will find all the preloaded penetration testing tools here. You can also install additional tools depending on your needs. And that is it. this is how you install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation Pro on a Windows 11 PC. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you have any question as well, drop them in the comment section below and I will be happy to reply. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.